Hello everyone. Today's our topic is about precious things in life. 係我哋咧生命裏邊呢一啲寶貴嘅嘢喎。First, we are going to learn about our first about our body parts. The first one, neck. Neck 即係邊度啊？neck 咧即係咧我哋條頸喎。係啊，我哋條頸，大家都可以見到幅圖畫上面咧條頸喎。neck。好，number two, lip lip lip，即係我哋嘅嘴唇。嗱，每個人都有兩片嘅嘴唇㗎喎，大家都可以咧摸下自己嘅嘴。lip lip。好，第三就係我哋嘅頭髮。hair hair hair。有啲人咧就長頭髮 long hair。有啲同學咧就係短頭髮 short hair。大家都可以摸下自己嘅 hair 喺邊度喎。跟住我哋咧就可以再睇下啦。咁我哋咧就會有 ear，即係我哋嘅耳仔。咁大家都可以咧望下鏡裏邊嘅自己，到底我哋有幾多隻耳仔咧？耳仔 ear。跟住咧，我哋就會介紹一下呢一啲咧唔同嘅物品喎。第一樣嘢就係同頸有關，同 neck 有關嘅 necklace，即係咧我哋有條頸鏈戴喺頸上面嘅頸鏈 necklace。跟住我哋咧就會有一支唇膏喎 lipstick 係啦，唇膏搽喺個嘴上邊嘅。然後我哋咧頭髮上面有冇啊？頭髮上面都會有嘅喎，頭髮上面原來都會有我哋嘅 hair clip，即係話咧我哋嘅一個髮夾，係女仔咧就會戴嘅 hair clip。咁另外我哋耳仔都會有啲唔同嘅飾物 earring。嗱，大家睇英文書，大家打開呢本英文書嘅時候，都會見到我哋咧有都唔同嘅飾物喎。好啦，咁我哋咧就可以睇下我哋嘅練習喎。How many do you have? I have。好啦，咁大家咧就可以試下數下我哋有幾多嘅數目喺呢啲嘅飾物喎。How many necklaces do you have? How many necklaces do you have? I have a necklace. I have a necklace. 又或者 I have one necklace. I have one necklace. How many hair clips do you have? 好啦，我哋一齊數下喎，我哋有幾多隻髮夾啊？ How many hair clips do you have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 hair clips. I have 3 hair clips， 即係代表有3個髮夾，係啦。我哋喺 hair clip 後邊要加 s， 代表咧我哋多過1嘅意思。How many earrings do you have? How many earrings do you have? How many earrings do you have? 我哋一齊數下喎，1, 2, 3, 4。I have 4 earrings. I have 4 earrings. earring 後邊都要加 s， 代表呢個係多過1。好，咁咧之後咧就輪到你哋去做下練習啦。咁大家咧都可以掀開你哋本英文書，試下一齊做下後邊嘅練習，睇下大家識唔識。好，咁今日咧嘅我哋嘅第一個學期咧嘅 Precious Things in Life 就嚟到呢度啦。好多謝大家收睇，拜拜。